Hi viewer, today I like to show you how to delete custom ringtones from iPhone in iOS 13. From iPhone, first open Settings. From Settings, tap Sound and Haptics. Tap Ringtone. You can only delete custom ringtones. To delete any custom ringtone, just swipe left on the ringtone. Tap Delete button. That's it. Ringtone deleted. So these are the steps to delete any custom ringtone from iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.